It's almost the start of a new year. How can you tell? Because Samsung smartphone leaks are everywhere. Just one day after a huge Galaxy S24 price leak, we now have new renders of all three S24 phones. And these aren't just any renders, they're the best ones we've seen yet. Samsung Galaxy S24 renders have been appearing online for months now, but they often come with a caveat. They're based on CAD designs, are low-resolution files, or have unsightly watermarks plastered all over them. That's not the case with these newest S24 renders. The first two images here show the regular Galaxy S24. It appears in yellow and purple colors in this leak, and as we've been expecting, it looks a lot like the Galaxy S23. We have a 6.2-inch display with no curved edges, 3 rear cameras, and a flat frame. It's not breaking any new ground, but it's also hard to argue with Samsung's formula. It's a solid design, and while not particularly exciting, I'm happy to see it return for another year. The Galaxy S24 Plus render looks very similar to the standard S24, though it appears in a new gray/silver color. It's expected to have a larger 6.7-inch screen and 3 rear cameras with a flat frame. Finally, there's the Galaxy S24 Ultra renders. This leak shows it in gray and violet colors, with the gray striking a close resemblance to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Considering Samsung is reported to also be using titanium for the S24 Ultra, that shouldn't come as a surprise. Similar to the S24 and S24 Plus, the S24 Ultra also bears a remarkably similar design to its predecessor. Just like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra will have a very square body, a 6.8-inch display, and 4 cameras on its backside. The 200MP camera introduced this year should make a return to the S24 Ultra. What may not return is Samsung's 10x optical zoom. Instead, Samsung may opt for 3x and 5x optical zoom sensors. Although this latest Galaxy S24 leak doesn't reveal any new information about the three phones, having such a clear, high-quality look at them is great. Samsung has yet to say anything official about the Galaxy S24 series, but all signs point to a January 17 release/announcement date. If that's true, expect Samsung to start teasing the S24 launch in the coming days ahead. With the anticipation building up for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, which feature do you find most exciting or disappointing based on these latest leaks? And how do you think these new smartphones will stack up against the competition in the upcoming year? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.